The entry door buying guide. Entry doors are often more than just front doors. Those we tested can also be used in back or on the side because the front entrance of your home commands the most attention from the street. It also commands the most attention in the marketplace. Here's what you to consider wherever you put it. We have found that most entry doors perform well overall, but the material they are made of fiberglass, steel, and wood. Each have strengths and weaknesses. And while a low-price steel door can be used the equal of a wood or fiberglass door costing 5 times as much, it's not the best choice for wear and tear. Door-to-door shopping tips: going online. Energy efficiency, insulation, keep yourself and your family safe. Type of anti-entry doors. Many door manufacturers has the the fiberglass problems do. The problems concerns wood. Problems concerns any door features, adjustable threshold, glass rails and stencils, styles.